I'm going to start from the very beginning, where I do with all of our guests. What were you doing for work when you started to think about a career change in cybersecurity?
Yes, absolutely. Actually, I was thinking of about career change since I migrated to Australia in 2017, because my background is kind of relevant to technology. I was working as a system admin, that sort of role back in my country. But when I come to Australia, for any reason, like bad resume, not having enough connections, or not having a good network, many different factors caused me not to be able to land a job in the technology. So I was working as a petrol station manager at the time when I entered Australia. Fast forward 3, 4 years, I stayed in that role, but in 2021, I switched my job to a security role, not cybersecurity, rather electronic security, which is more responsible for physical security, like CCTV cameras, access control, and stuff like that. And I was still thinking about changing my career, because coming from a background of IT, I always wanted to return back, because I invested in that field, right? I have studied Bachelor of Software Engineering and then Master of IT. So I
Mhm.
didn't want to waste it somehow. I didn't have relevant experience that much. So even at that point in my home country, which I was working in IT, I wasn't deep enough. So I was more of a like all-rounder type of person in the organization I was working for, jack of all trades. But I always wanted to find a way to back to IT. And to be honest, I found cybersecurity pretty promising and interesting role. And like it is just the start of a boom. So I didn't want to miss the train. I just tried to jump on it. I was thinking a lot about it. But when I saw your advertisement on the social media, and I get to know your company and listen to the podcasts and some stories of other people who took this path, I decided to jump on the board and start doing it.
Wow, amazing. I think, yeah, we get a lot of people who have studied, 10 years ago, they've done their IT masters or even a cybersecurity degree years and years ago, and for whatever reason, didn't get back into it, but still always have that passion and drive to get into the
That's
industry.
correct. Something inside you that sounds, go for it, go for your
Yes.
dream, go for it, do it.